Very old. Las Casas de Oros. Wow, it's a very nice. Oh, it's like you know that like a river, so you can. It's a unique pool. There was a rocks like a river. See, the going there. There was a rocks. The going there. So this is like a river. So that is the end of Las Casas de Azúcar.
The time when Magellan and Lapu-Lapu fought. So we have there the battle in Mactan. We call it the battle in Mactan.
So I got to give tip the two people that can afford it.
Jose Honorato Lozano, a famous painter way back 1800. And then these buildings to your right, these are all replicas of the accessorias before in Binondo, Manila. So if you're familiar with Binondo, Binondo is the oldest Chinatown in the world. Yeah, that's where the Chinese merchants live. And these accessorias are inspired by the accessorias before, way back early 18th and 1900. And you know the Binondo, Manila, Binondo is surrounded by water. So that's why this building built with view of water. So one has a view of the West Philippine Sea. So you can see the beach front. While here at the back, we have this waterway, which was inspired by the Estero de Binondo. You're familiar with the Estero de Binondo? Or that is the canal in Binondo, Manila. And then we have this one building which was inspired by the art supply store of Don Roman Ongpin. So if you're familiar with the Ongpin Street in
The
Binondo,
owner
yes.
of Ongpin. Sorry.
Opo.
Jewelry.
That art supply store is known as the El 82, which the paintings of Juan Luna, Felix Hidalgo are being hung where they selling those painting before. So this is the island 2. Yeah, as I've mentioned earlier, that is for rent. That's actually saleable. Many renting that island, especially for weddings. Yeah, so they can they can have that for their groups only, exclusive for the group. Yeah. There's
What, the bird?
yeah, those birds called the balin sasayaw or also known as the swallow bird. So if you're familiar with one of the most expensive soup, the bird's nest soup,
No, they're not.
so they're the one who made that. Yeah, the swallow bird.
So this is the picture or the video in the evening or late evening. So this is guys.